Today, alongside Northern Parrots, we're celebrating Amazon Day. With the correct training, diet and lifestyle, these little birds can be the best companion to add to your family. This is my yellow-crowned Amazon, Lola. Can you say hey?
Hello.
Have you got a cough? Call the dogs.
Come on.
Are you pretty? Is it funny? Is it funny? Time to go then.
Bye.
Good girl. Amazons are the true definition of split personality, with the 1 minute laughing and talking, the next minute cuddling up. Have you got a cough? Can you say hey?
Hello.
Call the dogs.
Hello.
Can you sing?
Hello.
Can you sing?
Hello.
Are you pretty? Am I funny? Are you tired?
Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
Time to go.
Bye.
Good girl. Lola's a yellow-crowned Amazon. She's 14 years old and I've had her entire life. I try to give Lola as much time out in the aviary as possible, as she loves to be out in all weathers. It's important to keep those beaks busy because they really do love to chew. Lola's enjoying a bit of corn on the cob here as part of her fresh chop in the morning. So Lola has fresh veg for breakfast, and then in the evening she has Tops pellets, which can be found at Northern Parrot. Lola's really enjoying her bath here with the Optiplume spray. Happy Amazon Day from me and Lola.